part of my footage for today. And well, as you guessed, I'm on my way back to Tosno and I'm riding such a bus. Well, and this is the very edge village. Like I told you when I was heading to Ushaki, I said that it was the edge street. And well, this is one of the villages, but it's a very picturesque one, and it's picturesque even from the side. So I kind of feel it last year, but I decided to capture it one more time because I don't need to walk and don't need to make any efforts, and I'm riding a bus and I just had such a nice hike and I recorded so many interesting things that I'm gonna share, and I think that this video will be the last one for today. And I will just try to film. Oh, you can see the hotel Tosno, and this is the epic place. And one day I was talking to you when I was here, and you probably remember that huge crane in front. Yeah, I remember that day. Some of the houses that you have already seen. This is the Beauty Stream, and this is the unfinished church. It's like, you know, it's like in fast motion picture. Everything is flying by, and that is what's left of Baba Yaga and Leshi. So this is the shop that I'm going to frequently. Well, as you guess, this is Tosno already, and this is mostly the center, not really, but it's still quite light, and this will be the street that I go down very often, and there will be the firefighters' quarters at the end of the street, and well, this is the movie theater, and sister and nephew have been visiting it quite a lot, especially this summer. Some of the monuments that you've seen, it's very hard to comment anything, so we kind of approaching the railway station, and this will be the memorial. Well, this is the main street, and well, this is the Soviet street, and that is the grocery store. This is so strange. Like I'm not used to filming anything from the window of a bus, and I kind of started my hike right here. I mean, right here. I just got out here and I just headed in that direction. So it was a very long hike. You just cannot imagine. And I had a lot of concern that it would start bucketing down, so I'm so happy that I managed to dissolve it. It was such an escapade. Oh, sorry, it's getting blurry. This is Hortensia flowers. I showed it to you. And this is that street. What is it called? The longest street in Tosno. Well, I can see that I'm approaching the railway station, and they don't like to stop here at the tunnel. They don't like it, so I'll just get off at the very last stop, and yeah, I think I'm here. I hope you like my bus ride. That's it. I'm getting off.